Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change a mouse battery for Logitech G305 or 304. So basically what you'll need to do is take out your dongle out of PC and turn off your mouse. Then just take this white cover off by sliding backwards, and now you will be able to take the battery out. You can put a smaller battery, but you'll need to put some foil right here so it will fit. But if you have a right battery, which is a battery, just take another one, put it like this, put it back in, and basically put and slide the cover like this, as you can see. And now you can put the dongle back into your computer and turn on your mouse like this. See you in the next one.